would be the correct schema type for pest control sites? Is it home and construction business? It is. That is absolutely correct. Who's I? It's home and construction business. But before I confirm that entirely, give me 1 second. Let me pause the screen again for 1 moment. If I can get back to it. I can't remember. I'm trying to think. Let's see. It's God damn it! It used to be the Merkle SEO tools, and now it's changed to something else. Let's try this and see if we can get that to work. The name changed recently. I think this is it still. I was going to pull open a spreadsheet, but it looks like it's making me sign in. Excuse me, Microsoft again, and I don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Stand by for 1 minute. You guys are still seeing my screen, correct?
Correct.
I'll take that as a yes. Okay. Let's see. Schema generator right here. Yeah, this used to be called the Merkle tool, and now it's Dentsu. I don't know what that is, but you can check it here. You can just go down here, look at local business schema. Then from here, you're going to look at local business type. We're going to go to home and construction business, and then you can look at the subtypes. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure there wasn't a pest control in the subtype, and there's not. So yes, home and construction business is the most relevant for pest control. Okay, moving on.